Hey everybody, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel right there in that corner. Let's get this one started. So we're going to do a video on this lawnmower that we trash picked. But while we were out, we also found these two lounge chairs that need a little work, but all the cloth looks okay on them. So we're going to get these around back and fix them up and see what's wrong with them. Alrighty, we got the two lounge chairs out here in the backyard workshop. And it appears what's wrong with both of them is they're both missing one of the bolts for the back. So as you can see, it's got a bolt here, but it's missing the one over there on that one. And it's missing the one over here for this one. And this one's bent a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Like I said, the fabric seems to be in pretty good shape. And what we'll do tomorrow is we're running out of daylight today. They're a little muddy. We'll get the pressure washer out. These things will clean up nice. So right now, got G Junior out here. Yeah, going through the nut and bolt drawer. This is exactly what we need. We might need some spacers, but this will be perfect to run through here. And fix this thing up. Maybe we need some bigger bolts, but we'll start with these first and see how they do. All right, so we found some 1/4-inch bolts. We have some nuts that has the nylon in there to keep from locking. I don't even think we're going to run spacers. Nobody sits on that piece, so we're just going to go ahead and put it through, put one of the bolts on, put one of the nuts on. I've got, where did I put, I think it's sitting over here, isn't it? No, I got it. 11 millimeter. I got it. We're just going to go ahead and just grab this very lightly, and we're just going to tighten it up so the nylon nut will grab. That one's done. All right, here, let's flip it up. See, still working. Are you filming still?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go ahead and fix this one. Same thing here. We're going to put the bolt through and through. Now this one here looks like it's might be a little bit short.
It could be bent.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's bent. I don't know how to, let's see, can we loosen this side up? This side already looks like it's probably at the end of its threads. Well, you're gonna have to find a longer bolt for this one, or we're gonna have to pry this over to get this bolt started. But all right, but you saw what we did on that one. So this one here is already fixed. So we're going to come back in a minute and see if we can get this one fixed. Okay, so we tried to put this bolt through this hole, and it's a little too short. And then we thought maybe that the chair was bent, but the chair isn't bent. It's just the way this chair is made. So we have another bolt that is a little bit longer. So we're going to take this side apart, and we're going to see if we can use that long. I think that bolt might be longer.
I think it's just spinning.
It is just spinning. So let me grab it. There we go. So we are going to take this bolt out, and we're going to put this new bolt in, which hopefully is a little bit longer. I'm just going to go ahead and just start that one. And now let's see if this will be enough room. Oh, look at that. Now we can get this one started. All right, everybody. There we go. We'll go ahead and tighten this one down until the nylon engages. Nylon's engaged. We'll do the same thing here. These are actually carriage bolts, so there's nothing on this since I'm just using a pair of pliers. These were left over from some piece of furniture that we had, and that's grabbed the nylon nut. So all this stuff.
Yeah, this is still a little loose.
That's all right. It's just a spacer
for looks.
For looks, basically. All right, let's see. Will it flip up and does it work? Ta-da! There we go. So we have two lounge chairs Now they just need to be cleaned up, and with a pressure washer, and
Not bad
they're
for free.
very good for free. And we put 3 bolts that we had left over from other trash jobs, basically. All right, everybody. I think we're gonna put them by the fire and sit in them tonight. So like I said, we're gonna have a fire tonight, and there's G Jr. relaxing in our new lounge chairs. They're good?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Excellent. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my trash picking videos.